Receive God's blessing. May God bless you with discomfort. Discomfort that easy answers, half-truths, and superficial relationships so that you may live deep within your heart. And the people of God say, Amen. May God bless you with anger. Anger with injustice, oppression, and exploitation of people so that you may work for justice, freedom, and peace. And the people of God say, Amen. May God bless you with tears. Tears to shed for those who suffer from pain, rejection, starvation, and war, so that you may reach out your hand to comfort them and turn their pain into joy. And we say, Amen. May God bless you with foolishness. Enough foolishness to believe that you can make a difference in this world, so that you can do what others claim cannot be done. Amen. Yes, well, we are singing, you are welcome to enter our circle again. Yes. So those who know and those who can drum, I invite you to drum with me. So it goes like this. Salam alaikum.